Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Class 10, as per your today's routine, we have to study the poem that is Dust and Snow. And this poem is written by Robert Frost. I told you that whenever you will learn something, you will study some chapter, you must open your book in front of you, because the teachers always they will teach with the books, and especially English I will teach you word by word and sentence by sentence. So when the book will be in front of you, it will be helpful and easy for you to understand. Dust of Snow, this is a very small poem, and that subject matter is also very easy, but outwardly it is a very easy poem, but actually the poem is having a very deeper meaning, a very large meaning. Dust of Snow, this poem is having two stanza, and each stanza is having four lines. So Dust of Snow, it is having totally 8 lines. I told you that poem means that is rhyming scheme will be there. You have to find out, you have to know the rhyming pattern or the rhyming scheme of the poem. Poem means that is what is rhyming pattern. I already have shown you that in the previous classes, class 9 also, that is the pronunciation of the last word of a sentence of a poem, of a line of a poem, how that whether it is rhyming or it is that matching with the other last word of which sentence. So accordingly that your rhyming scheme will be there. Suppose that is the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. What is there? That is a very simply picture that the poet had made. What is the picture? That is naturally it is a western country, and snow means you know that is ice, frozen particles, that is called that snow, and western country it is a very common matter. So that for some unknown reason the poet's mood was not good. He was not happy. He was sad. So that's why he walked out and he went nearby a tree, and that tree was a hemlock tree. What is a hemlock tree? A hemlock tree, we all know that is it is a poisonous tree, and it is having white flowers, and a crow, maybe it was sitting on the branches of the tree. So when that snow was falling, everywhere it was falling, so might be the crow was shaking or just trying to shake off the snow from its wing, or it was moving, whatever. It is not given in the poem, but from the 4 lines we get this much, that the poet was the crow was shaking and shaking, and when the crow was shaking itself, then that the on the branches, on the leaves, on the flowers of the hemlock tree, that dust of snow, very small, very tiny particles of snow was there, and as soon as the crow started shaking, then the dust of snow, it started falling on the head or on the shoulder or on the body of the poet. Then what happened? Then has given my heart a change of mood and shaped some part of a day I had rued. Naturally, when the day is not going on properly, so naturally we mourn for that. We become sad and we lament. We just that yes, my day is not going on. But what happened over here? The moment the poet went outside and that he reached near the hemlock tree and the crow which was sitting on the tree, and when it started shaking itself, then from the tree, from the hemlock tree, the frozen particles or the dust, very tiny particles of snow started falling on the poet. And the moment the frozen particles, the snow started falling on the poet, then poet's mood had changed, and then the poet started feeling happy. And so naturally what happened? When he was sad, then his day was wasted. But when sadness changed into happiness, then his day also turned into sadness to happiness, happy day, sad day to happy day. So when we say that our day had been wasted, obviously when we are not happy, when we are sad, then we say, we consider that our day has been wasted. But when we become happy, when we are not sad, then we consider, yes, our day is good, our day passed by happily, nicely. Same thing happened over here. Here the poet wants to say another things also, that is that nature is having a vast capability to heal, to change anybody's mood, to make anyone happy. And another thing, that is generally that this hemlock tree, the crow, these are considered, these that the generally the people think that these things are bad things, the agents of bad things, these things. So that yes, you have seen crow, crow is crowing, that it is a very bad sign, it is a very bad symbol. But here that which things changed the mood of the poet? Obviously here the hemlock tree and the crow. So the general concept, that the conception that the hemlock tree and the crow, which were not good for that, which were the agents of negative negative agents, they were used over here, that they are actually positive agents, they were good agents, they are not bad agents or negative agents. So here two things we are getting, that is nature is having its vast capability to change anybody's mood anytime, and that the nothing can be good or bad. Actually it depends. Here that the that hemlock tree and the crow, though the common people, they consider these things as the negative agents, negative properties, negative things. But in this poem, through this poem, the poet had shown us that no, these are not only the negative properties or negative agents, they are also good agents, they also can bring happiness to anybody else. So the rhyming pattern, that is crow, that is you can consider it as A. Then that is on me, last word me, you can consider it as B. Then again it is coming snow. So crow and snow, the pronunciation is same. So A, then me, then B, then again snow. So A, B, A, then again tree. So me and tree, B, B. So the rhyming pattern of first stanza is A, B, A, B. And second stanza, that is heart. So you have to take any another sign for that. That is C. Then that is mood. So D, C, D, again that is heart and part. So again C, and then rude. Rude means regret. Means that lamenting. Yes, my day was not going well. So that is with mood, with rude. So last stanza, the rhyming pattern is C, D, C, D. And that other things, that is that poetic device, those things I will show you in the class, means inside the classroom, because I think that maybe all the students will not be able to understand. So now this is your poem. This is the summary or the subject matter of the poem. You read, this is a very small poem, you read it and try to understand it, and obviously you have to make fair copy. Thank you. Have a